Gorgeous vineyards, delectable food, and of course top-notch vino. These are the essentials of a wine vacation. To help you plan a great trip, Trip Xtreme track down destinations that promise spectacular scenery and a distinguished wine culture to bring you the best wine vacations. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 10 best wine vacations. Before we begin though, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome travel guides, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when we publish a new video. So now let's cut to the chase. And at 10, the Finger Lakes. As the largest wine producer in the state, New York's idyllic Finger Lakes are a haven for wine enthusiasts. Although wineries can be found throughout the region, first-time visitors will want to head to Cayuga, Keuka, Canandaigua and Seneca Lakes, where the highest density of vineyards are located. Enjoy a refreshing Riesling, the region's most popular varietal, or try a full-bodied Gewürztraminer. If wine tasting is on the agenda, and I'm sure it will be, try the selections at Dr. Konstantin Frank Winery or Fox Run Vineyards. At 9, it's Cape Town. Oenophiles willing to take a short trip south of Cape Town, South Africa will find the Constantia Valley, the oldest winemaking region in the Southern Hemisphere. Here you can sip sparkling wine as you admire picturesque Table Mountain. Visit Groot Constantia, South Africa's oldest wine farm, or venture farther inland to Stellenbosch and Franschhoek, two popular wine destinations. Stellenbosch's Speer wine farm is highly regarded, and the Franschhoek wine tram makes visiting wineries like Babylon Storen a breeze. At 8, it's Porto. If you're a fan of sweet wine, travel to this city on Portugal's northwestern coast. Porto is home to, you guessed it, port wine, and no visit here is complete without sampling the region's delectable vinho. Book a cellar tour of the prestigious Graham's 1890 Lodge, or listen to the sounds of a Portuguese fado concert at Caves Calems, all while sipping on a delicious tawny port. Then, after exploring the Grand Port Emporium and multimedia centre of Espaço Porto Cruz, make time for a history lesson at the Port Wine Museum. Sounds amazing. At 7, Willamette Valley. Referred to as Oregon's wine country, this 150-mile stretch between Portland and Eugene is home to nearly 700 wineries. The Willamette Valley is considered one of the world's top Pinot Noir producing areas. With family-friendly wineries such as Brooks Wine and Stoller Family Estate and sophisticated manors like King Estate Winery and Domaine Serene, Willamette Valley appeals to every kind of wine lover. Plus, if you don't have your own set of wheels, you can easily reach the region from Portland with the help of an organized tour. At 6, Burgundy. So many centuries-old vineyards and medieval villages sprawl across Burgundy's gorgeous countryside that it was granted UNESCO World Heritage distinction in 2015. Sip as much Pinot Noir and Chardonnay as your heart desires, or ask a sommelier for their recommendation. Plus, thanks to the variety of Michelin-starred restaurants, you have no problem finding delectable French cuisine to pair with your vino. If you're feeling overwhelmed by Burgundy's extensive list of wineries and don't know where to start, consider driving the Grand Cru de Bourgogne wine route to experience the region's most esteemed vineyards. At 5, Loire Valley. This picturesque region of France boasts opulent castles, expansive gardens and lush vineyards, perfect for a relaxing getaway. The gentle Loire River slivers past vineyards that yield some of the finest French vintages, including sweet muscadets, crisp Sauvignon Blancs and smoky Cabernets. Head to Chateau de Chenonceau's historic wine cellar for a la carte tastings, or sip bubbles at Maison Ackermann's troglodyte caves. If you'd like to explore the area's vineyards at your own pace, trek the Loire Valley wine route for an overview of the third largest wine region in France. At 4 now, Napa Valley. For an incredible grape escape, jet to California's wine country. Sitting about 60 miles north of San Francisco, this beautiful valley boasts cozy caverns, picturesque vineyards, and more than 36 types of grapes. Take a sunrise hot air balloon ride over Napa Valley's rolling hills, or ride the Napa Valley wine train. Sounds great. Offering gourmet cuisine and a wine list with roughly 40 wines, the train gives visitors a chance to stop at select wineries during the scenic excursion. For an especially intimate experience, head to Frog's Leap or O'Brien Estate for the day. Next up at 3, Bordeaux. Bordeaux, France has established a reputation for its sumptuous reds. In fact, more than 85% of the wine Bordeaux produces is red. Don't leave without trying the Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot, or seek out a glass that's a blend of both. For the ultimate wine excursion, explore the one-of-a-kind Cité du Vin Wine Museum or tour the region's famous chateaux. Château La Dominique, Château Mouton Rothschild and Château Pape Clément are good starting points. And if you can, splurge on one of the city's Michelin-starred restaurants, including Gordon Ramsay's Le Pressoir d'Argent. At 2, Sonoma. Often overlooked in favour of neighbouring Napa Valley, Sonoma Valley offers an equally impressive landscape and collection of vineyards, perfect for a full-bodied wine vacation. And why wouldn't you have a full-bodied wine vacation? Take a guided bike tour of Sonoma's scenic wineries, then enjoy a tasting at Gundlach Bundschuh or Jacuzzi Family Vineyards. Be sure to try one of the region's specialities, including Pinot Noir, Zinfandel and Chardonnay, while visiting. And with delicious Californian cuisine served at the area's many top-tier restaurants and hotels, you may never want to leave. Yes, I bet. And finally, at number 1, Tuscany, Italy. Tuscany's world-renowned Chianti Classico draws grape seekers in droves. But another major draw is the destination's verdant countryside, with its picturesque rolling hills, medieval castles and leafy vineyards. Wine connoisseurs won't want to miss a visit to Montepulciano, where Tuscany's classic Vino Nobile is produced, or Montalcino, home of the country's famous Brunello wine. For a heavenly glass of Vin Santo, another popular varietal, visit Castello del Trebio, a winery housed in a former palace skirting Florence. Arrive in September to attend some of the region's wine events, such as the Impruneta Grape Festival and the Chianti Classico Expo. And there you have the top 10 best wine vacations. Did you like what you saw? Let us know in the comments down below. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic travel guides. See you next time, wine lovers!